How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View. Today we're taking a look at this new arrival for a 2026 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. Starting on the back of the boat, you got a great casting platform on both sides. It has these convenient, easy to flip up jump seats in the back, so very comfortable and super easy to put back down. This boat is powered by a 200 Mercury engine. Tons of space in the cockpit on the 21. Really wide, goes out to that 8.6 beam. Reversible helm seat. This can be flipped back and forth. And then a live well underneath the lean post, as well as rod holders on both sides of that. Coming up to the helm, Simrad multifunctional display, JL audio all throughout the boat. You have a convenient glove box here that is lockable, so if you're going out doing some any dining, you can throw some belongings on there and lock it while you're up in the restaurant. VHF radio, trim tabs, and then over top you'll see this does have the hard top on the 21. High and dry storage up here, and that beautiful light blue color match with the hull. So really nice option, beautiful. Good size head on 21 Montauk. And you'll notice they widen and at the shoulders, makes it easier to get in. Really nice on a 21-foot boat to have that space. Moving forward, a big cooler seat at the front. You can actually comfortably seat two people. Cushion backrest across the back of that. And then up in the front, we have a large casting platform or sun pad, whatever kind of use the day holds. Both of these backrests can be pulled out and gives you two additional rod holders. So if it's a fishing kind of day, you can leave these out. Or if you're cruising with a family, super easy to pop these back in. This boat is also pre-rigged for a trolling motor, so you'll notice the panel in the front. So if you like to throw one of those options on, super easy, super convenient, it makes this an all-around great option for the family. So again, this is Mike Lug here on a 2026 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, love to have you stop by. Thanks, and see you out on the water.